Mark II is one of the most talked about rumored cameras right now. With speculation about better autofocus, improved low-light performance, and enhanced 4K video, excitement is building. While nothing is confirmed yet, many believe the Canon R7 Mark II could be a major upgrade for creators. Is this the next big release from Canon? Let's take a closer look at what to expect. The rumored Canon R7 Mark II is expected to feature a significant design overhaul compared to its predecessor. Early leaks hinted at a more professional-oriented build quality, potentially moving closer to the EOS R1's design philosophy. Reminiscent of how the EOS 7D series complemented the 1D series in the DSLR era. The body is rumored to be more robust, with enhanced weather sealing and improved ergonomics for prolonged shooting sessions. While the original R7 features a 3-inch 1.62 million dot vari-angle touchscreen LCD, the Mark II is expected to maintain this flexibility with improved resolution and touchscreen responsiveness. The electronic viewfinder might see an upgrade from the current 2.36 million dots to 3.69 million dots OLED EVF, offering a clearer and more natural viewing experience with reduced lag and better performance in challenging light. The control layout might be reimagined to better serve professional users, with more customizable buttons, a professional-grade joystick for quick autofocus point selection, and an improved grip design for better handling with larger lenses. Initial rumors mentioned a 32.5 megapixel stacked sensor, but more recent reports point toward a 24.1 megapixel stacked CMOS sensor, a choice possibly made to optimize speed and low-light performance. The camera is expected to feature the latest Digic X processor paired with a Digic accelerator, enhancing processing speed and overall performance. Continuous shooting capabilities are rumored to reach up to 30 frames per second, maintaining the impressive speed of its predecessor but with a potentially larger buffer capacity. The camera is expected to retain dual UHS, 2 memory card slots for redundancy, and high-speed recording, with improved write speeds. The new multifunction shoe should provide enhanced compatibility with modern accessories and audio equipment, including direct digital audio input. The buffer depth is rumored to be significantly improved, allowing for longer burst shooting sequences. The feature set of the R7 Mark II is rumored to be substantially enhanced, positioning it as a true flagship APS-C camera. The autofocus system is expected to incorporate Canon's latest dual-pixel CMOS AF2 technology with improved subject detection and tracking capabilities, including enhanced eye, face, and body detection for both humans and animals. The camera is rumored to include sensor shift 5-axis image stabilization, potentially offering up to 7 stops of correction with compatible lenses. Connectivity options are expected to include built-in Wi-Fi and Bluetooth for seamless file transfer and remote control, with improvements in transfer speeds and connection stability. The camera might feature enhanced weather sealing comparable to professional-grade bodies and improved battery life with new power management features. A notable addition could be the inclusion of advanced vehicle tracking autofocus, similar to higher-end Canon models, with the ability to track motorsports and fast-moving subjects. The rumored stacked sensor design could significantly improve the camera's readout speed and reduce rolling shutter effects, a common concern with the original R7. In terms of video capabilities, multiple sources confirm 4K video recording at up to 120 frames per second, with suggestions of no cropping when using pixel binning. The camera is reported to support 6K RAW video recording at 60 frames per second, positioning it as a serious hybrid shooter for both photographers and videographers. Video features are expected to include both C-Log 2 and C-Log 3, support for enhanced dynamic range in video recording, along with HDR-PQ capabilities. The camera is rumored to feature a full-size HDMI port for external recording options with support for clean output. Low-light performance is expected to be significantly improved with the new 24.1 megapixel sensor, offering better high ISO performance than its predecessor. The stacked design should contribute to better dynamic range and faster data readout, improving both still and video quality in challenging lighting conditions. Color science improvements are also rumored, with better skin tone rendering and more natural color reproduction. The shift from the R7's 32.5 megapixel sensor to a rumored 24.1 megapixel stacked sensor in the Mark II represents a fascinating strategic decision by Canon. This move likely prioritizes speed and low-light performance over pure resolution. Stacked sensor technology allows for faster readout speeds, better noise performance, and reduced rolling shutter, critical features for action photography and video work. The lower resolution also means larger individual pixels, providing better dynamic range and improved high ISO performance. This design choice aligns with similar strategies seen in Sony's A9 series, where lower resolution sensors are used to achieve exceptional speed and performance. The decision might also reflect feedback from professional users who often prioritize reliable autofocus, faster burst rates, and better low-light performance over higher megapixel counts. Additionally, the 24.1 megapixel resolution still provides plenty of detail for most applications while allowing for better heat management during intensive video recording sessions. When combined with improved processing and newer sensor technology, this downgrade might actually turn into a significant upgrade in real-world performance. According to various sources, the Canon R7 Mark II is expected to be released in the second half of 2025, with most rumors pointing to a Q3 or Q4 launch. The camera is reportedly entering the production pipeline, suggesting development is well underway. Price expectations are around $1,500, which seems competitive given the advanced features, though the final price might vary depending on market conditions and included features. Canon is also rumored to release two new constant aperture RFS zoom lenses alongside this body, though they won't be L-series lenses, addressing the current limitation of professional-grade APS-C specific lenses in the RF mount system. The Canon R7 Mark II promises to be a significant evolution in Canon's APS-C lineup. With its rumored 24.1 megapixel stacked sensor, enhanced video capabilities, and professional-grade features, it appears positioned to serve both photographers and videographers. While the lower resolution might surprise some, the benefits in speed and low-light performance could make it a worthy successor to the original R7. With new RFS lenses on the way and competitive pricing, Canon seems ready to strengthen its position in the enthusiast and professional APS-C market. That's all for today. Thanks for watching. Share your thoughts on the Canon R7 Mark II in the comments. Subscribe for more videos like this.